Okay.
Okay. Section D, solving word problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals.
Okay. So turn your textbook to that page. How do you solve word problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals?
You need to read the question first before you solve. If you don't read, you will be wrong. And you need to analyze if it should be plus or minus. And you should do the subtraction before you just teach you to start. You write a sentence or time like that. That you teach in time like that. And
Very good. Okay, well said. It means that the first thing to do when you solve word problems or before solving word problems is to read the word problem first. Second, analyze. Because when you analyze, it means you understand the word problem and you're going to use either addition or subtraction, right? And after that, you have to write the number sentence. Write the number sentence, and then the next part is the description part. Okay, and then the last part is the answer part, so that you'll get 5 points. You have to show how you understood, how you understand the word problem. Can we begin? Okay, you listen first to the PowerPoint. Solving word problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals. Mother has 1.325 kilograms of tomatoes. She uses 0.85 kilograms of the tomatoes for cooking. Sister buys 2.5 kilograms of tomatoes for mother. What is the mass of tomatoes that mother has now? So analyzing the problem, what do you know? Mother has 1.325 kilograms of tomatoes. Mother uses 0.85 kilograms of tomatoes for cooking. Sister buys 2.5 kilograms of tomatoes for mother. What do you need to find? What do you need to find? The mass of tomato that mother has now. What operation do you see? Subtraction and then addition. So let's start working. So that's the number sentence. Okay, get your pencils, please. No, this is just an example, right? Okay, yeah. So you listen first. 1.325 kilograms minus 0.85 kilograms, close bracket, plus 2.5 kilograms equals blank. That's the equation. Mother has 1.325 kilograms of tomatoes. Okay. So full stop. There should be full stop at the end of the word tomatoes. Okay. Let me write.
Please. Not forgot you need to write 0 first for the students who are confused.
1.325 kilograms of tomatoes. Full stop. Okay, because we use the usual way, the usual method, which is writing sentence, right?
Yeah.
Okay, next. Minus, mother uses 0.850. Correct. So Baibun is right. You have to equalize the next decimal. You have to equalize. The key word is equalize. What is equalize? What does equalize? What does the word equalize mean? You have to add 0. One more 0 after the digit 5 to equalize the places of the two decimals. Kilograms of tomatoes for cooking. And then
and then you subtract,
Full
and
stop.
then you
Period. Okay, next. Mass of tomatoes left is 5. 2 becomes 12. 3 becomes 2. So 12 minus 5 is 7. 2 cannot be subtracted by 8. So we borrow from 1 in 1's place. So 1 becomes 0. And 2 becomes 12. So 12 minus 8 is 475. And do not forget to locate the decimal point. So 0.475 kilograms. Okay, so this one, the author forgot the colon. So you need to write colon here, colon. If you don't want full stop. Do you understand?
yeah.
Okay, very good. Mass of tomatoes or the weight of tomatoes, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So second is, here is, the second step is addition, right?
Yeah.
Okay, addition is the next step. So the mass of tomatoes left, 0.475 kilograms. That's our first answer of our first part. Plus, sister buys 2.500 kilograms of tomatoes. So I'm going to write the period again here. Period. And then, so we equalize the decimal 2.5. 2.5 is now equal to 2.500 because of the first addend. Okay. Let's add. Mother has 5, 7, 9, 2. Locate the decimal point, align. Mother has 2.975 kilograms of tomatoes now. Full stop. And that's our final answer. Easy breezy, right? Yes. So, Baibon, read the final answer.
Okay. Answer. Mother has 2.975 kilograms of tomatoes now.
Very good. Okay. Now, let's go to the solving word problems involving addition and subtraction of decimals. More example. For example number 2. A piece of rope is 18.9 centimeters long. John cuts the rope into 3 pieces. One is 6.3 centimeters long, and the other is 4.5 centimeters long. So how long is the third rope? Analyzing the problem, what do you know? A piece of rope is 18.9 centimeters long. John cuts the rope into 3 pieces. One is 6.3 centimeters long and the other is 4.5 centimeters long. What they need to find? The length of the third rope. What operation do you see? Subtraction and then subtraction. Okay. So let's do the working. The number sentence is 18.9 minus 6.3 and then open and close brackets minus 4.5 equals blank. Okay, then let's do the description part or the describing part. Okay, this time, look, there is already a period, right? Right? Can you
Yes.
see this one? Okay, very good. So a piece of rope is 18.9 centimeters long. Okay.
I really like your presentation.
Jen cuts off 6.3 centimeters of the rope. Length of rope left is 3, 2, 1, 12.6 centimeters. Actually, if this is the kind of the equation, look at the equation, right? Look at this equation. If this is the equation or the number sentence, you can do like this. Or it can be 18.9 minus, you have to open bracket here, and then 6.3 plus 4.5. Right, Namo? Where is Namo?
Teacher, I'm here.
Do you think this is also correct?
Yes, teacher.
Correct. So,
I use the second.
oh, I told you. Very good. So it's up to you as long as we get the same final answer, right? Okay, so once again, I would like to emphasize that you can use the first number sentence or equation or the second equation or number sentence. We will arrive at the same answer. Okay, very good. Okay, now moving on. The length of rope left is 12.6 centimeters minus John cuts off 4.5 centimeters of the rope. That is now, the rope is, okay, you know what to do. I won't explain anymore how to subtract because you did this already using a normal number. And the final answer, M, please read.
The third rope is 8.1 centimeters long.
Very good. Now look, do not forget this full stop here, okay? Okay.
Okay.
Now, are you ready to do the practice exercises by yourselves?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, that's your favorite part. I'm going to watch you. For better understanding, let's do practice on page 110. You have 9 minutes and 6 seconds. Okay, I'm going to watch you. You can ask teacher if you have questions. Jaopun, would you like to read the first problem?
Yes.
Okay, please.
Okay, has a rope that is 15 meters long. It's cut off 3.25 meters. Fall off the rope and give it to Mary. It's followed by a rope of 4.6 meters long for him. What is the total length of rope that it has now?
Okay, so what should be the number sentence? Who wants to give me the number sentence?
By one teacher.
Okay, by Bun.
15 minus 3.25, but you need to write the bracket before
Okay.
15 and then the other bracket on the 3.25 and then plus 4.6 and then equal and then square.
Okay, Bible, please repeat. I will write it here. Number 1,
You need to write bracket and then 15.
open
And
bracket,
then
15
yes, open bracket 15 minus 3.25.
minus 3.25, close.
Then bracket, then plus 4.6, then equal.
Okay,
Then
the blank. Either circle, oval, or a rectangle, or just blank. It's okay. Okay? Okay. So if this is your page of the note textbook, you can use blank, rectangle, oval, circle, up, square, up to you. That's an equation. Okay, very good. Who wants to give me the first line of the describing part or the description part? (15.325 plus 4.6 equals blank. That's 1 point. Okay, you have to check your work, okay? Check. Okay, next. What is this 15? Those who are always speaking will get extra points. Not speaking,
okay,
so, tamada, normal. What is this 15? Fifteen minus 3.25 Eight has a rope that is 50 meters long. He cuts off 3.25 meters of the rope and gives it to Mary. His father buys a rope of 4.6. What is the total length of? Okay, so the question is, what is the total length of ropes that egg has, not that Mary has, right? So it should be plus. So we have to analyze, right, Boon? If the question is, what is the total length of ropes that Mary has now, not egg, that's another story, right?
yeah.
Okay, so that's why you are correct. 4.6 equals blank. Wait, I'm going to adjust the font size. Who doesn't want sentences? You can You can use the, oh, very small. I can see. Okay, this one is okay, right?
Yes.
Okay. I'm going to use a rectangular shape. And then, or I'd rather want to use the normal way or the usual way. Sentence is better. Egg egg has a row of that is space 15 point, let's equalize 0, 0 space meters long. Stop. Okay, next. 2 points now for you. Second line of the description part is he cuts off. He cuts off cuts off 3.25 3.25 meter of the rope. I don't like to use the word and gives it to Mary anymore. Okay. Then you add first. I subtract this. So the answer is 0 minus 5 is 10, 5. Then 9, 7. Decimal point. Then 4. 4 minus 3 is 1.